ka-chunk, 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 ka-chunk.
Hello my dear students, Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board has released Model Question Paper for 2021 SLC Main Exam. In this exam, they are conducting multiple choice questions. Now, we are discussing the subject Social Science question paper with answer. 4 choices are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. Let's see the question. Francisco de Almeida implemented Blue Water Policy. Salbai Agreement was signed to end the First Anglo-Maratha War. A Faujdari Adalat is criminal court. The Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was Lord Wellesley. The social reformer who declared back to Vedas was Dayanand Saraswati. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi revolted against British due to doctrine of lapse policy. Ras Bihari Bose and Madam Kama are the leaders of revolutionaries. The founder of Indian National Congress is A.O. Hume. Forward Bloc was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose. Lala Lajpat Rai was killed during the protest against Simon Commission. Mahatma Tank and Kalaram Temple movements were organized to protect against the practice of untouchability. The word added to preamble through 42nd Amendment of the Constitutions are socialist and secular. Chennamma revolted against the British from Kittur. Lokpal and Lokayukt are set off to check corruption. The Constitution of India's Article 51 advocates establishing international peace and cooperation. In 1966, USSR had supported the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan. The Human Rights Declaration was adopted on December 10, 1948. The Cabinet of UNO is Security Council. The Chief Architect of the Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The book The Republic was written by Plato. Karnataka State Raita Sangha was founded by M.D. Nanjundaswamy. Child Marriage Prohibition Act was passed in the year 2006. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghats is Armakonda. Dras near Kargil is prominent for lowest recorded temperature in India. The black soil is derived from basalt rocks. Stilt-like roots are found in mangrove forest. The west-flowing rivers of peninsular plateaus of India are Narmada and Tapi. Shifting farming and sedentary farming are the two types of subsistence farming. The gateway of India is Mumbai. The iron and steel industries under private sector, among this is Ispot Steel Plant. One of the measures for preventing coastal erosion is restrict sand mining in coastal areas. The oldest and still existing newspaper of India is Bombay Samachar. The port situated in the Union Territories of India, among these Fort Blair. When national income is divided by total population, we get per capita income. Ashraya Yojana was implemented to provide shelter for the shelterless people. A uniform system of Panchayat Raj institutions throughout the country was established by 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993. The account holder can withdraw or deposit any number of times in a day in this type of the account, current account. The National Savings Certificate are issued by Post Office. World Consumer Day is celebrated on 15th March every year. The Consumer Protection Act came into force in India in the year 1986. Thank you, children. Best of luck your examinations. Thank you.